Every bottle of premium coconut water begins here, beneath the rising sun. Only mature coconuts are chosen, judged by weight, color, and sound. Quality control starts long before the factory doors. Each load carries freshness that cannot be replaced.
The journey from field to factory has begun.
Speed matters when freshness is the product. Here, small harvests join the industrial flow. Handled gently, the coconuts retain their inner purity. Protection now ensures quality later.
Miles pass, but freshness remains sealed inside.
This is where nature meets precision. Behind these walls, precision takes over. Every movement is measured, every second planned. The coconuts enter a controlled world. Freshness flows forward, untouched. This is where cleanliness becomes critical. The first transformation begins with water. Clean water strips away the journey outside. Every surface is refined before moving forward.
Nothing unwanted moves past this point. Human eyes still define perfection.
Consistency is engineered, not assumed. Now, the real work can begin. Positioning determines everything that follows. Precision replaces force. Nothing is wasted, nothing rushed. Purity is protected at every step.
The heart of the coconut is released.
Stability without compromise. Freshness is now fully contained. Clarity is refined, not altered. Every parameter stays within its window. Fresh taste is preserved by design. Now, machines take the lead.
Automation watches what humans cannot. Every drop reports its condition. balance is maintained without pause.
Reliability is built in layers. Cleanliness never waits for problems.
Precision hands the process forward.
Before filling, the container earns its place. Every milliliter is measured. Accuracy leaves no room for error. Freshness is sealed in seconds. Identity meets product. Traceability is written into every bottle. Machines see what speed demands. Only perfection moves ahead.
Human judgment still has its place.
Science confirms what process promises.
Approval releases the final stage. The product earns its destination.
Orderly stacks prepare for the journey ahead. Protection ensures every bottle arrives intact.
Storage holds the promise of delivery.
Every bottle is destined for the market.
And this is how modern factories produce premium coconut water from start to finish.
From farm to factory, precision guides every drop.